This is a final video to fix Roblox stuck at 60 FPS on 120Hz Android and iOS devices. Are you playing Roblox on your high refresh rate phone or tablet and still seeing the game locked at 60 FPS even though your screen supports 120Hz? You bought a smooth display, but the gameplay still feels the same. Not faster, not smoother, just capped. This problem happens because the system limits frame output. The game does not match your display refresh rate, or certain hidden limits stay turned on by default. Many phones and even the game itself add restrictions to save battery or control heat, and that forces Roblox to stay at 60 FPS. Most videos on YouTube or social media make this worse because they use long talks, confusing tech words, or risky tricks that do not work for everyone. But in this video on Rexist, I will show you 4 proven methods that fix this issue, and I guarantee at least one will work for you, even if the problem feels very critical. I want you to pause this video and try each method one by one as I show them, or take screenshots so you do not miss anything. Do not skip around. Do not rush. Test every method properly before moving to the next. One of these will unlock the smooth gameplay you expect from your 120Hz device. Now follow the method steps by steps showing on the screen.
Putting